Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to pop on really quick to talk to you guys about a giveaway that I'm doing that ends December 11th. That is next Friday is when I will close the giveaway, so I will have time to mail out to you guys, mail the gift to the winners. All right, I am giving away the tag kit. Not this one, this is just the one that I made to show you guys as a sample. So this is an all-inclusive tag kit. It's called the Joy of Giving tag kit, and it includes everything you need to make all of the tags. So you get a stamp set. This is the stamp set that I use to make the tags. So you'll get this, you get to keep it. You will also receive a D block for your stamps. So you mount your stamps on top of that D block to stamp. And then you also are going to get the Poppy Parade Stampin' spot. So that's your ink. And you're going to get all of the materials needed to make all of the tags in this kit. So let's see, how many tags are in this kit? You also receive instructions. So you will receive a 17-piece photopolymer stamp set, your clear stamp block, 30 printed tags, your die-cut stickers and accents, printed and gold foil, the Poppy Parade Stampin' spot, the shaded spruce baker's twine, that you even it even includes the mini Stampin' dimensionals. You guys, if you watched my videos before, you know how much I love Stampin' dimensionals. Those are going to come in your kit, and it all comes in this giftable box right here. All right, so I have 2 of these to give away. They're wrapped in another box. I will mail it out to 2 of the winners. All you have to do to be entered into this giveaway is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching on YouTube, go to my Facebook business page and like my business page. And then also, if you would like to receive my newsletters in the mail, in your email, please email me at the email listed below. Is craftysweet@gmail.com. I will list also my YouTube handle as well as my business page. So subscribe, like, comment this video if you're on YouTube, and then go and like my Facebook business page because I'm trying to get more followers. All right, that is all you have to do to win. The details again will be posted below if you don't remember what I'm saying in the video. But this is a cute tag kit. It will be perfect for all of your gifts. And I actually made a little bit more in the kit that I put together. And then I switched up some of the sentiments. If the instructions called for one greeting, I may have switched it up a little bit, but these are very cute. I like the detailing with the foil. Everything that you need is included in this kit to make all of these tags. All right, so thank you guys so much. And you do not have to be an expert at stamping. You can stamp one time and you can create these cute cards. All right, thanks so much. Enter the giveaway. All right, have a good day. Bye.